All right, let's annotate. See how you did. I need to draw the reflection over the x-axis. Okay, so here's x. So it's going from up here to down here. All right, this is an up, down movement, counting each point from x. So D is 2 spaces, so I go 2 down here, D prime. A is 4, so I go down 4, A prime. C is 2, B is 4. Connect these points in order, A to B, B to C, C to D, and then D to A. So it's flipped over that axis. Now let's get these ordered pairs. Originally, A is at -1, 4. B is at 5, 4. C is at 2, 2. And D is at -4, 2. Always in parentheses. X comes first, and then Y. So if I'm reflecting over X, my Y's become their opposite. X stays the same. So -1, 4 becomes negative. 5, 4 becomes negative. 2, 2 becomes negative. -4, 2 becomes negative. Pick a point to check. C prime is at 2, -2. Checks out. This was the last practice problem. I think you have like a true-false one, and then it's going to be time for your exit ticket, which is a Google form. Read it carefully. Make sure if there's more than one answer, you're paying attention to that. Use your notes, and if you're not quite ready, go back and watch these videos, do some more practice problems in IXL, and then take your exit ticket when you're ready.